Hiya guys, I've got another bungalow gutter clearance to do now this afternoon. I've done 25 cleans this morning. I've had 3 skips because it was meant to be 29 window cleans, but this is a gutter clearance as end of my day. And I'll show you. I'm using the Panther. It's a brilliant Panther, is that. So then I've got that green hose coming out of there. Got my ladder up because I'm going to go up there by a ladder. We've been a bungalow. I've got my generator, so I've got power, my bucket and my poles. I don't think I'll need the poles, but I need the tools today. So I'll just take you up and show you what's in that gutter, and then you can see there's not a lot in it, but this customer said birds are pecking all of it out. So as you can see, there's not a lot in there, is there? But I'm going to hoover it all out. The channel's not too bad either. So it's just an L shape here, and then I've got round the other side to do. So let's crack on and get that done. It's only going to be a short one, this, because it's all dry and easy. I decided to use the base pole on this bit. I'm going to get up there in a second and have a look, see if I've missed any. Just going to move that ladder out of the way. It's got stuck somewhere. It's a bit tight actually. The brackets are getting caught. Nice clear gutter. Such an easy job, this one. Probably could have just blown it. Another amazing job that the Panther's done. We've got to turn that generator off now. Really don't use a lot of petrol this. Just let it cool down. Time to pack it all away. Thanks for watching another gutter clearance. An easy one as well.